and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be testing out a selection of skincare tools that seem to have gone viral on TikTok and Instagram. A majority of the tools are from Luxe Skin, which I've actually bought with my own money. They're not sponsored or gifted or anything like that. I just really wanted to try them out. And then one item is from GX.Diffuser. Now this one has been gifted to me, but not sponsored. So I'll obviously be very honest with my opinions as always, but I'm going to be trying this out as well. I'm basically going to do this like I would do my skincare. So this is something that I probably do maybe 2-3 times a week. So I'm going to start off, this I would use daily. So I'm going to start off with this. This is the Spin Cleansing Brush. So it's like that. I think this is about a tenner. So we're looking at this. This is the product. It's got a little charging port here, so it is rechargeable. And then the brush that's on it is this kind of soft facial cleansing brush. And then we also have this kind of skin buffing attachment here. That's so smooth. So there's that one as well. And then we've got another facial cleansing brush. This one actually feels a bit softer, I'd say, than the one that's on it. So there's that one as well. Not bad for a tenner. Most of the ones I've seen for that price, you have to put batteries in. So with it being rechargeable, I'd say that's a pretty decent price. Oh, and it does come with a stand as well. That way? Yeah. So that's pretty cool. So you can put it in your bathroom, on your shelf or whatever. Right, so we're going to start off by trying this out. So I'm going to go in with my usual cleanser, which is the Sand and Sky Pink Australian Clay one. This is the Deep Pore Cleanser. So I have wet the head and I'm just going to pour a little bit of this on here, just like that. Whoops! Which is the amount that I would normally use if I was just using my hands. And then I think what I'm going to do, let's just get my hair out my face. Right, so I just put my hair out of the way. Right, so I'm just going to kind of start off by just dotting it, so I can just get it everywhere I want it first. And then we're going to turn it on. And then just go in circular motions. Okay, that's pretty cool. I've just noticed, I didn't realise that if you press it again, it goes faster, which is quite cool, because if you do it sort of in quite slow circles, it feels like it's really, really getting into those pores. So yeah, I'd say that's pretty good actually. I'm quite pleased with that. Yeah, I'm just going to rinse off the cleanser and then we'll move on to the next step. So the next thing I'm going to do is do my toner. So we're going to be using the GX.Diffuser for this one. So this, can I just show you the packaging? This is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, so in this package we get the diffuser. Now these I'm really intrigued by, because I've seen a lot of people use these to apply their setting spray as well, which I also want to try with it. Supposed to like give you a really nice flawless finish. So this is the actual tool that you use. I think this is kind of like your switch to use it. This looks like the cup where you put your product in, and then you've got your charger as well. And then this, what is this? Oh, okay, this is like your, this is the nozzle, as you will, to put your spray in. You can obviously turn it to whatever strength you want it to come out. And then this is the main sort of part of the diffuser. So it's like this, so it's really cool. I love this green colour, it's really nice, and it's kind of like metallic-y looking as well. So I have put it together, so it looks something like this, which is pretty cool, I have to say. And the quality of this feels insane, I must say. It's really, really good quality. And then I've got my toner, so I'm using the Mario Badescu. This one is the Aloe, Herbs and Rose Water. I'm going to pour, I hope this is right, pour a little bit into here. seems to be right. And then put the lid on. Okay, so I was wrong, it's not this. This is the container for the toner, makeup, setting spray, whatever it is you want to put in this. And then your product actually comes out of this nozzle here. So I do believe that you can also use this for slightly thicker products like foundations, moisturizers, anything like that, but they have to be diluted. So yeah, maybe that's something I can try another time. But yeah, today we're going to try this. You then just turn it on here. So that's your airflow, and you can feel that coming out, the air. And then to release the product, we just press this. So, right, okay, so I'm going to use this to do my toner. It's just, oh, that's a really nice fine mist. I actually really like that. Really, really nice. And obviously, because it's a toner, which is obviously used to close your pores back up, and it's got a cool mist in it, it's kind of like a bit of a double whammy. It does two jobs in one. I really like that. That's definitely going to be something that I'm going to use on a daily basis for my toner, and I'm definitely going to be trying that for setting spray, because I can imagine that'd actually be really good. So next I'm going to be trying out this product. This is the Face Sculpting Tool by Luxe Skin. So this looks like this. So it's very similar to the shape of a gua sha, which I actually really like anyway. But this also has a heat mode, a light mode, and it also has sonic vibrations. So the red LED light helps to reduce fine lines, it improves skin texture, it improves collagen production and circulation. And the heat therapy combined with the light massage helps to open the pores, increase the penetration of absorption of skincare products such as serums and moisturizers, which is what I'm going to use it with today, my serum. And then the sonic vibrations reduce inflammation and puffiness, increases muscle stimulation, improves facial contour, helps to find cheekbones and jawlines and reduce lines, and improves skin texture and complexion. I've been using this a couple of times a week over the past, I'd say 2 weeks since I got them. So I have to say, I have noticed a huge difference in my jawline here from using it. So we're going to be using that with my serum today. I just use the Laneige, this is just a mini one. This is the Perfect Renew Regenerator. Okay, so we've got the red LED light here. We have the, if we just remove the cap, that would help. Let's take that off. Right, so we've got the heat, which we can feel coming through there as well. And obviously we've got the sonic vibrations that you can probably hear. So we're going to use this. I'm going to start off on my neck. So I'm applying pressure, but not too much pressure. I don't want to drag the skin. I'm still applying just enough pressure to kind of perform some kind of lymphatic drainage to get rid of any puffiness in my skin. Okay, that feels so good, and I love the heat in these. You can literally feel your product soaking into your skin. It really does help. Right, so there's that. If you use a facial roller, like a jade roller or a rose quartz roller or whatever, then you will do exactly the same method. So the motions that I used, starting in the center of the face and then pulling out, is exactly what you will do. Don't get the roller and go like this. I've got one, hang on. Here you go, I've got a jade one here. So with a jade roller, oh, that's cold, it's been in my fridge. But yeah, so with a jade roller, you do exactly the same. So you're gonna start from the center and you're gonna push out towards your ear. And then the same with your forehead, you can push out or you can push up. and obviously with your neck you're going to go up. Don't get the roller and start doing this, because that basically is going to defeat the object. The idea of these is all for lymphatic drainage, so you are basically going to take any toxins or built up moisture, anything like that, you're going to be pushing that up towards your sort of holes as such, so your ear, and you're going to be pushing that outwards, and that's where you'll see the difference. So you will see a huge difference if you get it and you just do this, roll it around your face like a toy car or something. There's no point in using it, it's not going to do anything. Right, so I think this is the last one. Yes, the last tool is this one here, which is the LED Rejuvenation Wand. I've actually been using this 3 times a week. I actually really like this product. So in here you get the main tool, which looks like this, and then you have your stand with this as well, so like that. I love this like pearlescent white as well, I think it's really classy. And then you also get your charger again. So all these products are rechargeable, which is great. So with this one, we've got like different types of light for whatever you want to target. So yeah, you've got 5 types of light. So you've got red, green, blue, yellow and pink. Now I normally go for the red light because I'm trying to target fine lines and wrinkles and enhance my collagen production. So that's what I normally go for. However, you can use it to treat dark spots and discoloured skin, which is the green light. You can use the blue light for acne or oily skin, which to be honest, I have actually been using on my neck sometimes as well, because I've got a little bit of a breakout around my neck. And you can use it to brighten the skin or dark areas, which is the yellow light, and the pink light is used to whiten the skin. So as I say, I'm going to be using the red light today, and I might actually use the blue on my neck. So I'm going to use this with my moisturiser. So I'm going in with the Sand and Sky Tasmanian Spring Water Moisturiser. I love this stuff. Right, so I'm just going to pop that on as I normally would. So while it's sitting on my skin, I'm going to use this tool. So we start off with the power. So we've got my red light here, which is the one I want to go for. You can adjust the LED light here. So there we go. You can actually, that one that was flashing kind of flicks between all the different ones, which is quite a good one as well. I'm going to use the red, and then we can up the intensity. I don't know if you'd see that dial, it's quite dark. We can up the intensity. So I'm going to start on 2, but you can go up to 5. Right, so let's just turn that back on. Right, so it says to start on a lower one and then basically work your way up. So I've been using 2 for now. And then with this, you basically just go in circular motions. Okay, and then as I said, on my neck, I'm just going to switch over to the blue. So that one. Okay, so just turn that off. Obviously when you finish using all these tools, do give them a wipe over so they don't get like clogged up with any product or anything. And obviously it's hygienic to do that as well. So that's all the tools that you used now. So the next thing I'm going to do is just do my eye cream. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of eye cream on my eyes. This is the Laneige eye cream. Just like that. I'm just going to massage that in. Okay, and then very lastly, I'm going to pop This is the Brow Gold oil that I used in my eyebrow lamination and tinting video. I need to do another tint actually, because it's starting to wear off now. Has been on for about 4 weeks though, so that's pretty good going. So all I do with this is pop a teeny drop on the back of my hand. Just pat it with my finger and just kind of run over my brow. On both of them, obviously. And then just use a little spoolie just to brush it through. So that's even my eyebrows conditioned. And then very lastly, I'm using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, which I actually don't use this just at night. I just use it as a general lip balm because I love it. But this is the berry one, so I just get a little bit of that and just apply that as well. And there we go. So that's a full skin routine using products that seem to have gone TikTok viral. Yeah, I have to say I do like them. I like the Luxe Skin products. They're affordable. I think both the other tools that I used were around £35, 35, which is actually really quite good. Because I know there's a lot of competing brands with them that are a lot more high end, but they cost a lot more money. You're going into like hundreds of pounds. So for the price, I'd say they're pretty good. I have noticed a difference in my skin from using the contour tool for sure. I've definitely, and I just love the way it feels as well. I love that heat where you can feel the product sinking into the skin. Really, really good. And also I like this tool as well. I've yet to see a difference with the blue light on my neck. However, you know, that is from wearing a mask, so it's one of those things. But I have to say, on the rest of my face, it's definitely a lot clearer. This I love. I think this is absolutely brilliant, and I'm dying to try this out on my next makeup look with my setting spray, because I reckon that's going to be really, really good. If you're one of those people that doesn't like that like whoosh, strong spray on your face, which to be honest I'm not a fan of. If you've just done your makeup and it's looking all pretty and then it's just like you've got this burst of liquid going on it, yeah, it's nice just to have a fine mist. So I'm really excited to try that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!